Namaste to all dear warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to inter first year CEC, MEC and HEC students. Okay, economics important questions list we are going to discuss. Please subscribe the channel if you not subscribed. Aspirants in the quest of knowledge. So let us discuss without wasting further more time. Important questions relating to economics which will be useful for all CEC, MEC and HEC students, right? So all first year students, here is the questions relating to long questions. Okay, you need to write 3 long questions. They will give you 5 questions. So let us discuss these important questions. Describe the whatever red mark are there, those are very important questions. Okay, other are important questions. Okay, so describe the law of diminishing marginal utility, law of equimarginal utility, illustrate the consumer equilibrium using indifferent curves analysis. What is demand function? What are the factors that determine the demand? This demand function may be asked in 2 marks sometimes, and these factors of demand determining demand may be asked even 5 marks. Sometimes both together will be asked as a long question. Explain the law of variable proportions and describe the internal and external economies of scale. These may be asked in short question also sometimes. Explain the price determination under perfect competition, very important one. And explain the price determination under monopoly. Define rent, explain the Ricardian theory of rent. Next we are having relating to some important questions relating to other chapters. What are the various methods of calculating national income? That is, explain the concept of national income, GNP, MP, okay, GNP at factors of consumption, okay, and GDP, NNP, NNP at factors of consumption, okay, per capita income, a real income, disposable income, personal income. These concepts may be asked as short question as well as long question, so don't ignore them. Explain the Keynesian's theory of employment, important question this one. Describe the functions of commercial banks, describe the functions of central bank. These will be asked even for short also, 5 marks or 10 marks both it will be asked. Next our second bit will be relating to short questions. Whatever red are there, I'm saying again, whatever red are there, those red questions are very important questions. Red mark जो भी है highlighted and other color are just important questions. Okay, दोनों भी पढ़ के चाहिए, but more focus should be given to red one. So explain the wealth and welfare definitions of economics. Explain the concept and scope of micro and macroeconomics and their differences. What is scarcity definition? Robbins definition भी पूछते हैं इसको. And sometimes they will say explain about growth definition of economics. And what is utility and its types? Ordinal utility, cardinal utility types are there, so that one you need to write. Analyze the characteristics of wants. That cycle is there na, okay, wants cycle. Then want satisfaction action जो रहता वो वाला. Explain the concept of utility analysis. Okay, ये ट्रेन बार बार परेशान कर लो. So let us see the some more important questions relating to short questions, 5 marks. Explain the concept of indifferent curves and its properties. Indifferent curves and its assumption. Indifferent curves concept is very important one. Don't ignore this concept. Explain the concept of law of demand. Illustrate the reasons of negative slope of demand curve. Okay. Explain the concept of income and cross demand. Types of price elasticity of demand. This may be asked even long question, 10 marks. Explain the law of returns to scale. This is also very important one. I might not highlight it, but that is very important one. Explain the relationship between average and marginal cost. Explain the nature of average revenue, marginal revenue curves, the perfect competition and monopoly. Okay, this is next question. Difference between perfect competition and monopoly. That is 15th question. By mistake it has been placed there. Then 16th one, write a note on classification of markets. What are the factors determining the real wage? And explain the concept of interest and profit. What are the factors determine the national income? Very important one. Next, components of national income. Discuss the concept of public revenue. Explain the concept of public debt and redemption. Describe the concept of and types of budget. What is barter system? Its difficulties, sometimes very rarely will be asked. Okay. Explain the primary and secondary functions of central bank, or what are the major functions of central bank, they may ask. What is relationship between statistics and economics? What are the internal economies of scale? External economies, internal economies, both will be asked. And list out the various items of public expenditure. Functions of central bank. Define inflation, explain its types. These are very important questions relating to short questions relating to economics. Next, very short question. Free goods, economic goods, consumer goods, capital goods, intermediary goods. Value in use, value in exchange, price and budget line, very important one. I'm saying again, whatever red one are there, those are very important. Others are important. Okay. Marginal rate of substitution, price demand, individual demand schedule, market demand schedule. These are also very important one. Giffen paradox, Veblen goods, substitute goods, complementary goods. These are also important one. Okay. Don't ignore. These are also important. Okay. If you learn in long, these will be covered as well. Superior goods and inferior goods. Production function, money cost, opportunity cost, fixed cost, variable cost. Okay. And next we are having equilibrium price, product differentiation, selling cost, market or marketing, price discrimination, and contract rent, economic rent, money wages, nominal wages, time wages, piece wages, different types of wages. Then we are having some more questions relating to supernormal profits, depreciation, transfer payment and subsidies. Explain CSO wants its responsibilities, corporate social responsibility of organization, those. And GST, sales law of market, says law of market, wage cut policy, fiscal deficit, finance commission, vote on account, store value, credit creation. These are important questions, and these are very important questions. These all are. Net banking, clearance house, overdraft, currency, token and paper money, near money, standard deferred payment, recurring deposits, types of deposits. Next we are having what is spike diagram, bar diagram, primary data, secondary data, and sale of preferences, duopoly, internet, sorry, net interest, net profit, gross interest, net profit, gross interest, characteristics of land and personal income, per capita income, national income. These are very important questions relating to economics. Prepare the best to perform better than the best. All the best to you all. Thank you for watching the video. Share with your friends and your juniors if you know any. Okay, if seniors are seeing, and please like करो, subscribe करो channel को if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, YouTube channel name is Aspirants in the Quest of Knowledge. Okay, this is my Aspirants Commerce tutorial, and that's it. You may find important questions related related model paper, how it will be question paper model also at the end of this video. Link will be there. तो सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. ऑल द बेस्ट. जय हिंद.